सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
नमस्कारः।
स्वागतं पुनरेकवारं। भो मित्राणि, ज्ञायते भवद्भिः वयमिदानीं काकोरुकीयं नामकं तन्त्रं पठन्तः अग्रेसरामः पञ्चतन्त्र महाग्रन्थपठने। अत्र कथा या वर्तते, मेघवर्णस्य काकराजस्य वृद्धतमः मन्त्री कश्चन स्थिरजीवी इति नाम्ना मेघवर्णेन तत्र कृतकयुद्धं कृत्वा अनन्तरं तत्र शत्रोः अरिमर्दनस्य समीपे शरणं गच्छति। तत्र वयं स्थगितवन्तः. We stopped there at a point where Arimardana, the enemy, the king of the owls, visits on being told by the Kukalika that Kakaraja Meghavarna has left with his Saparivara to some place, and he came there to take a, what do you call, take stock of the situation, like we say. He comes there with his people, with his soldiers, to take stock of the situation as to what happened to the Kakaraja Meghavarna. And he finds no crow on the tree. Not a single crow is seen by them. At that point of time, Sthirajivi, who is lying in a mock fight, lying down on the ground, is not noticed by the Arimardana. So he fears my plan would be wasted if I have not noticed. So he makes a noise. He makes a noise in such a way that the Arimardana notices him, and exactly it happens so. He makes a noise and then Arimardana notices him, and Arimardana questions him, what happened to you? Then he begins to tell him that my king, who is a foolish king, who is very arrogant, he wanted to wage a war against you. I advised him, because you are very powerful, not to go against you, but he did not care for my advice. Then he beat me up. Now this is the condition. I want to take refuge with you. I will see that that fellow is destroyed with your, I will guide you in such a manner that you destroy him. So that is the point where we have to take up. So Srinivas, go ahead, 458.
Yes, sir. कक्षा संख्या वर्तते अद्यतनी सप्तविंशत्युत्तर-शततमः वर्गः।
सप्तविंशत्युत्तर-शततमः वर्गः, 127th class of Panchatantra. This is right.
Yeah. So, sir, I have taken some pictures through my phone and tried to keep here. So the clarity is not that good. What we have done with the scanning through printer.
Only missing pages, na?
Only missing pages.
That is okay. It's good now.
Yeah.
It's okay.
अथ अरिमर्दनः तदाकर्ण्य पितृपितामहक्रमागतमन्त्रिभिः सार्धमन्त्रयाञ्चक्रे तस्य च पञ्चमन्त्रिणः तद्यथा रक्ताक्षः क्रूराक्षः दीप्ताक्षः वक्रनासः प्राकारकर्णश्च इति। तत्र आदौ रक्ताक्षम् अपृच्छत्, हे भद्र, एष तावत् तस्य रिपोर्मन्त्री मम हस्तगतः, तत् किं क्रियताम् इति। रक्ताक्ष आह, हे देव, किमत्र चिन्त्यते, अविचारमयं हन्तव्यः.
Okay. So when Arimardana, the crow owl king, notices the Sthirajivi, the old minister, wounded in a mock fight, then Arimardanaha, Ulukarajaha, Arimardanaha, Tad Akarnya, Tad Vrittantam Akarnya, Tasthirajivinaha Vrittantam Akarnya, having listened to the anecdote or the story of the Sthirajivi, Pitru Pitamaha Kramagata Mantrivihi. Like this is exactly the same way we are reading through. Like the Kaka Vayasa Raja had his own ministers, Pitru Pitamaha Krama, all in that shows that in India it was hereditary for the ministers. Ministers were appointed on the basis of their faith and allegiance, and also their forefathers. Coming from forefathers. Fathers and their fathers used to serve as ministers to the kings. That is here. Pitamaha Kramagata. So from the grandfather. Agata Mantrivihi Sardham. So he was there, he came there over there to the tree to see whether there is any, he wanted to kill if there are any crows left. So he came along with them. Sardham Mantrayam Chakre. Then he consulted. Arimardana now consults his own ministers who have been coming down, serving him through their fathers and forefathers. Tasyacha Panchamantrinaha. Like the Meghavarna had Mantri Srinivas, here also he has Panchamantri. So Panchamantrinaha, Tad Yatha, and their names are given. They are like this. Raktakshaha, red-eyed, you can say. I have not seen for this. Maybe Professor Ryder called it red-eyed only. Krurakshaha, cruel-eyed. Deeptakshaha, brilliant-eyed. Vakranasaha, curved nose. Prakara Karnascheti. Prakarna Karnaha means it's also a name here given to a minister. One who lends his ear only on the Prakara, the rampart of the fort. That means he will be always located, it looks like located on the rampart, on the what do you call boundary wall, and oversees things if anybody is coming there, etc. Prakara Karnaha cha iti. Ete pancha mantrinaha. Tatra ado. So firstly he asked Raktaksham apruchat. Arimardanaha Adau Arambeva Raktaksham Namakam Mantrinam Apruchat. He asked Bhadra, my friend, he said, Esha Tavat Tasya Ripoho Mantri. This fellow who is lying down in a pool of blood, that is Sthirajivi. Tavat Tasya referring to Meghavarnasya Ripoho Shatroho Mantri Sachivaha Mama Hastagataha. Now he has come to my hand. Now he is in our custody, you can say. Hastagata is in my hand. Is in my custody now. Tat kim kriyatam. Now you tell me what can be done with it. Raktaksha aha. Raktaksha immediately replied to him. Deva, O my king, kimatra chintyate. What is there to be thought over here? Kimatra chintyate. Kimatra chintana ka karanam tatra karanam nasti. Chintayaha avakasha eva nasti. Avicharam, vicharam vina, avicharam, ayam hantavyaha, maritavyaha, vyapaditavyaha. So without any thought, avicharam, ayam kakaha, sthirajivi, ayam mantri, meghavarnasya ayam mantri, hantavyaha, must be killed. So in a very spontaneous reply to the owl king, the Raktaksha said, no, what is there to think over, my lord? He should be immediately killed, like Yataha, yes.
Hina shatrur hantavyo yavanna balavan bhavet praptasvau paurushabalaha paschad bhavati durjayaha.
Beautiful niti here, expounded by Raktaksha. Hinaha, balahinaha, shatru, nihantavyaha. A weakened enemy should be finished. Otherwise, what happens if a weak enemy is enemy, but is weak? Therefore, nihantavyaha, hantavyaha. He should be completely wiped out. Yavanna balavan bhavet. So, before balavan bhavet, before he gains strength, he becomes a strong man. A weak enemy should be like something we say in English, nip in the bud, nipping in the bud only. If you find an enemy weak, then immediately attack him and finish him. Otherwise, before he becomes Balavan, he becomes powerful. Yavanna Balavan Bhavet. Supposing you, Array is weak, I should not attack him. And he becomes, if you let him off, he becomes Balavan. Then Praptas Swa Paurusha Balaha. Then afterwards, if he gains his strength due to his Paurusha manliness, Paschat afterwards, Bhavati Durjaya, the same Hina Shatruhu, Durbalaha Shatraha, Durbalaha Shatruhu, Yaha Purvam Namaritaha, Paschat Durjayaha Bhavati. He becomes invincible. If he is let off, then he gains strength, becomes powerful, and then he becomes very difficult to be won over. So Paschat Bhavati Durjayaha. And therefore, he is Hina, correctly said. What a beautiful wording is used here, Raktaksha. Because this Thirajivi is very Hina, very Shakti Hina now. He is very weak, lying on the ground. What is enemy? Don't take pity. So directly he tells him, don't take pity on this. This is the ultimate advice, but the story goes in a different way. Yes, Kimcha, moreover.
Kimcha Swayam Upagata Shrihi Tyajamana Shapati iti loke pravadaha Uktam cha Kalo hi sakrudabhyeti Yannaram kala kangshinam Durlabhassa punastena Kalah karma chikirshata.
Very simple ideas are presented by Raktaka here, Srinivas. Kimcha, moreover, Swayam Upagata Shrihi Tyajamana Shapati iti loke prava. It is saying in the society, in the world, in the Samaja, in the Loka, that Shri, fortune when it comes on its own, Swayam Shrihi Lakshmihi Yadi Swayam Upagata Bhavati, Swayam Agata Bhavati, Rajanam Prati Agata Bhavati, Tyajamana. Supposing if royal fortune comes on its own to the king should accept it. Tyajamana, if it is left off, Shapati iti loke. So what is they said? If it is left off, then it will be going away from you. Riches, will be a kind of blaming you or cursing you. Shapati iti loke. Shrihi Shapati iti. If you Tyajamana, Shrihi Lakshmihi Swayam yadi upagata bhavati chet Rajanam prati tarhi Raja tam Shriyam Lakshmim Swikuryat. Yadi na swikaroti tarhi yadi Tyajamana bhavati Tyajate sa Shrihi sa Shapati iti loke pravada. Then she curses him. That means, this is a very popular concept with us, Srinivas. When Lakshmi, fortune knocks at your door, you must open the door. Otherwise, there is also a popular belief, coming, Deepavali is coming very soon.
Yeah.
Business people, they all do puja, Lakshmi puja, and they keep the accounts books open. Their shutters of the shops open. They never close anything. Overnight they keep the open because they think Lakshmi is going to come. If they shut, the belief is if they shut, Lakshmi will not come to them. Exactly the same here. Swayam upagata shrihi adite jamana shabati iti loke pravad. So Lakshmi, after doing the puja, they expect Lakshmi to come and bless them. So exactly the same thing is said here. See the tradition, how Panchatantra records this statement and it is still followed by us. Even now it is followed. That when Lakshmi comes, don't block her. Let her come. Otherwise you will be cursed. Exactly. And Kalohi Sakrudabhyeti. And he further says, very wise sayings of Raktaksha are here. Kalohi Sakrudabhyeti. Time comes but once. Time comes for but once here. Yan naram kala kangshinam. Whichever man is waiting for the time. time comes only but once. Durlabha sa punaha. Again, if you, that means when time comes, opportunate time, you must strike. If you let off the time, like if you let off the Lakshmi, and if it is rejected, Lakshmi is rejected, then she will curse you. Earlier said, Durlabha sa punaha kalaha. Saeva kalaha punaha durlabha bhavati. That very time becomes very impossible later. Karma achikirshata. So a fellow who is not doing any karma, one who is not wanting to do any task, any work, for a such person, the kalaha becomes durlabha. Kalaha becomes durlabha again. So kalohi sakrud abhyeti. Sakrud nama ekavaram. Samyak kalaha sa kriya kriya siddhyartam upagataha kalaha ekavarameva abhyeti. Naram, naram, kidrusham naram, kala kangshinam naram samubhyeti, upaiti. Yadi sana tatra yadi saha tyajyaha bhavati, tyajyamanaha bhavati, tyajyate saha kalaha, punaha durlabhaha bhavati. So that is the idea. So both these are differently said, but it is the same thing. One in the 129 sloka, it is the time, opportunate time, if let off, will not return again. Similarly, in 128, the idea is when fortune comes and knocks your door, then open your doors. If you reject her, then you will be repenting, you will be cursed. Shruyate cha yatha.
Chitikam deepitam pasya phatam bhagnam mamaiva cha भिन्नश्लिष्टा तुजा प्रीतिः न सा स्नेहेन वर्धते.
Now we are entering.
हरिवर्धनः प्राह कथमेतत् रक्ताक्षः कथयति.
Now we are entering into the fifth story, having finished the sixth story, finishing the fifth story. So this is the introductory part of that. Chitikam Shruyate, it is also heard. Chitikam Deepitam Pashya. Look at the Chitika, fire, burnt. Chitikam Deepitam Pashya, Phatam Bhagnam Mamaivacha. And also look at my, see my Bhagna, broken Phata, hood, serpent's hood. Bhagnam Phatam Mama, Bhagnam Phatam Cha Pashya. Bhinna Slishtatu Ya Pritihi. That love and affection which is once broken, bhinna, one which is once broken, and again if it is joined again, punacha, bhinna deepitam, bhinna slishta, adau bhinna, punascha slishta, adau bhinna, punascha slishta, that is called bhinna slishta. So first it is broken, and then it is rejoined. Adau binna paschas lishtatu ya pritihi, whichever affection is there, nasa snehena vardate. That means friendship and love, once broken, cannot be joined later. Understand, Srinivas? Ya pritihi adau binna asti punascha slishta bhavati, samslishta bhavati, sa snehena navardati. Snehena navardati. Tadrushi pritihi. या प्रीति है आदौ भिन्ना भवति अनंतरम यदि श्लिष्टा भवति श्लिष्टा भवति चेत् श्लिष्टा भावयितुं यदि प्रयत्नः श्लिष्टा कारयितुं यदि प्रयत्नः क्रियते तर्हि सा प्रीतिः न वर्धति. Even if it is joined, friendship or love, even when it is joined together, it will be not growing again. Like what? Raktaksha Katayati. Harimardana said, how was that? Then Raktaksha, the wise minister of Owl king, Harimardana. So I am Shashti. Yeah, I am Shashti Katha Vartate. Sixth.
Brahmana Sarpa Katha. Asti kasminschit adhisthane Haridattaha nama Brahmanaha. तस्य च कृषिं कुर्वतः सदा एव निष्फलः कालः अतिवर्तते. अथ एकस्मिन् दिवसे स ब्राह्मण उष्णकाल अवसाने घर्मार्थः स्वक्षेत्रमध्ये वृक्षच्छायायां प्रसुप्तः अनित अनित अनतिदूरे वल्मीकोपरि प्रसारित बृहत् फटाटोपभीषणं भुजङ्गमं दृष्ट्वा चिन्तयामास नूनमेषा क्षेत्रदेवता मया कदाचिदपि न पूजिता तेन इदं मे कृषिकर्म विफलीभवति तदस्या अहं पूजामद्य करिष्यामि.
Srinivas, in this Brahmana Sarpakatha, we are also again coming to reading some kind of faith with the Hindu people. The Kshetra Devata, Naga Devata, these concepts are there. Na? So he thinks the serpent is the Kshetra Devata. And this has been there in India.
It is there, still there, sir.
Even still there, that is what. Just like,
that
is what, Kshetra Devata. Like the lines just I told you, na, the business people keeping open their accounts and their doors open. It is still followed. Thousands of years it is followed. Asti, there was, Kasminchid Adhisthane as usual, there was in some city, lived a Brahmana by name Haridattaha Nama. Haridattaha. Tasya Brahmanasya Haridattasya cha Krushim Kurvataha. While he was doing Krushikaryam, Sada eva Nishpalaha. Like our poor farmers now, they are very hard working and sometimes the nature doesn't cooperate with them. Because of Ativrushti recently, in the entire 2 states of Telugu states, devastation took place. Sada eva Nishpalaha Kalaha Ativartate. So time was passing, always he was working very hard, no result. Nishpalaha Kalaha. Atha, then Ekasmin Divase, on one day, Sa Brahmana Haridattaha, that Haridatta Brahmana, Ushnakala Avasani. So, at the Ushnakala means Grishmakala. Grishmakala Avasani Ante, at the end of the summer, Gharmartaha. So, when summer recedes, there will be more heat. So, he was very much troubled by the heat and the fag end of the summer. Gharma artha, troubled by the heat. Gharmena artaha, gharma artaha. Swakshetra madhye, in his own field. Swasya kshetra madhye eva. Vrukshachayayam, there was a tree. Under the tree, prasuptaha, he slept. Anati dure, not very far from that place. Valmiko upari, there was a Valmikam, there was an ant hill. Upari, on that, over the ant hill. Prasarita Bruhat Patatopa Bhishanam Bhujangamam Drustva. So he slept under the tree, and not very far from that tree, he found a serpent, very ferocious, due to stretching its hood. Prasarita, stretching, Burhat Pata, big hood, Atopa Bhishanam, when it was showing off, it was showing off its large hood. Bhishanam, very ferocious, Bhayankaram, Bhujangamam Sarpam Drustva. After seeing that snake, which was looking to him very ferocious, he immediately thought Chintayamasa. He thought like this, Nunam, surely, Esha Kshetra Devata. This must be surely the goddess of this my land. Maya Kadachidapi Na Pujita. Never I worshipped this Kshetra Devata. This, what do you call the Kshetra Devata? Is deity, the land deity. Kadachidapina maya pujita. Tad tena, therefore, idam me krushi karma vifali. No, immediately he sensed like that. Arey, there is a great snake here. I never worshipped it. Tena, therefore, idam me krushi karma. This my agriculture, this my hard labor of agriculture, Vifali Bhavati, is failing. Why is I am working so hard, I am not getting any result? Maybe I have, it is also our belief in India that I will give a very classic example of Kalidasa Srinivas. Dilipa Maharaja, they, Dilipa, the father, forefather, forefather, great grandfather of Rama, Dilipa, Raghu, then Aja, then Dasharatha and Rama in the story. So that Dilipa Maharaja once went to Indraloka on the invitation of Indra. So in those days, earthly kings used to go to heavenly kings to assist him in his fight against the Asuras. And after assisting Indra, he was coming with his wife, Sudakshina Devi was with him. Dilip and Sudakshina both were in the aerial chariot, that divine chariot, and they were coming down. And while coming down, Akasha Ganga was there on the way. So Akasha Ganga means a waterfall, big waterfall was there. And there were Diggajas also, mighty elephants were also there. So the sound created by the waterfall and the sound created by the elephant perhaps did not make this Dilipa, and he could not notice also. And one more reason is that that time his wife Sudakshina Devi was in menses. So it is said when the wife is during period menses, that time the women should be taken care by the husband. This is there in the Shastra. They need our company. So Dilipa was giving total attention to his wife Sudakshina Devi. And he was coming down. There was also there Surabhi on the way, the divine cow. This Dilipa did not look to this Surabhi. And immediately Surabhi got offended and gave a shapa. That shapa was not heard by Dilipa nor by his wife because of this Akasha Ganga Jalapata and also the Diggajas sound making. He could not listen to the shapa, he could not see also because his attention was on his wife Sudakshina, the queen. So he went to the earth. He goes to the earth and he waits for a long time. No issue, no praja. He becomes very disappointed. Why I am not getting children? So he goes to his Kula Guru Vasishtha. So that yatra is described. And they represent, because for everything they had gurus in those days.
Yeah.
So the guru looks in with his divine sight. He gets into meditative mode and finds out what is the reason. So he finds all these things, the cursing of the divine cow and not heard by the King Dilipa. There, one word is there. Why I am telling all this story? Pratibadhnati hi shreyaha. This is the wording of Kalidasa. Pratibadhnati hi shreyaha pujya puja vyatikramaha. That means puja vyatikramaha. Vyatikramaha means negligence. Negligence. Puja vyatikramaha. Pujanam puja vishaye vyatikramaha ullanganam yadi kriyate pratibadhnati shreyaha pratibadhnati. Ta puja tesham shreyaha pratibadhnati. It blocks, pratibadhnati means it blocks their shreyas, their fortune. And this is the reason you have offended the Surabhi and Surabhi gave you a shapa. You did not listen to the shapa and your children are blocked now. Now what to do, says Dilipa. I have Surabhi's daughter with me, you Nandini. You do serve her every day, and until the Nandini becomes pleased with your service, then you will get your children. So this is very relevant here because this person also, I am working so hard, I am not getting the result. Maybe this Kshetra Devata is unhappy with me. Sorry. So remember this. Pratibadhnati hi shreyaha puja vyatikramaha. So if we ever in our life fail to honor the honorable people, then it is a flaw on our part. We have to pay for it.
Yeah.
Where are we? So he said, Tena, therefore, idam me krushi karma, this my agriculture, vipali bhavati. Tad, so, asyaha, that is, visargalopa, aham, asyaha, kshetra devatayaha, aham, pujam adya karishyami. So I will do worship this kshetra devata today itself. Iti. Yeah.
Iti avadharya kutopi kshiram yachitva sharave nikshipya valmikantikam
Upagatya. Upagatya.
upagatya uvacha
Vacha.
भोः क्षेत्रपाल मया एतावन्तं कालं न ज्ञातं यत् त्वमत्र वससि तेन पूजा न कृता यत् साम्प्रतं क्षमस्व इति एवमुक्त्वा दुग्धं च निवेद्य गृहाभिमुखं प्रायात्.
Yeah, you
Shall
can
I?
stop there because that sentence goes with the following page. Iti avadharya. Iti nischitya, having determined and decided like this. Kutaha api. Now our writer, Vishnu Sharma ji, is a very clever writer. See, in one word he escapes that. Kuto api, from somewhere. Like the opening sentence of every story. Asti kasminchid adhisthane. Why are you worried? In some city there was a Brahmana by name Haridatta. Kuto api, from somewhere. Kshiram yachitva. He begged for, he got the kshiram, that is dugdam. He got the milk somewhere, from somewhere. Sharave, in a cup, in a earthen cup maybe in those days. Sharave nikshipya, kept it in the cup. Valmikantikam upagatya. Lebanta. Valmika antikam samipam upagatya gatva uvacha. Then he going near to the ant hill, he said like this. Oho Kshetrapala. Oh Kshetrapala. Now he has changed the linga here. Kshetra Devata he said, but here Kshetrapala is saying. He was watching.
Yeah.
Earlier he said tasyaha tadasyaha upari vakyam pashyantu. Tadasyaha aham puja madhya karishyami and Kshetra Devata, etc. Maybe anything. Devata, Deva is all the same. Kshetrapala, oh my protector of these, my field. Maya etavantam kalam. By me, so far, so long, etavantam kalam, nagnatam, was not known. So it is not my fault. I did not know so far. It was not known so far. Yet that tvam atra vasasi, that you are living here. How beautiful Sanskrit, Srinivas.
Yeah.
Maya etavantam kalam nagnatam, yat tvam atra vasasi. Tena, therefore, puja na kruta. Therefore, the puja was not done. Thus, tat, therefore, sampratam kshamasva. Please forgive me now. Sampratam idanim kshamasva iti. Eva muktva, having said like this, dugdam cha nivedya, having offered the dugda, the kshira, gruha abhimukam prayat pratyagachat. Gruha abhimukam, he went towards his home. He returned his home. Atha.
अथ प्रातर्यावद् आगत्य पश्यति तावत् दीनारमेकं शरावे दृष्टवान् एवं च प्रतिदिनमेकाकी समागत्य तस्मै क्षीरं ददाति एकैकं च दीनारं गृह्णाति.
Atha, then what happened? Pratah, next morning, next day morning. Anyadyahu pratah kale yavad agatya. As he comes over there, pashyati, he finds tavat. When he comes and sees tavat, he finds by then dinaramekam. I don't know, this dinar is there in our Sanskrit Srinivas. The gold coin is called dinar.
Yeah.
Middle East dinar, na, they say?
Yes, yes.
So dinaramekam. Dinaramekam sharave drushtavan. He found one gold coin in the cup in which he kept the milk. Evam cha, in this manner, pratidinam, every day. Now this continued. Pratidinam ekaki samagatya. He came alone. Now so look at the wording here. Ekaki samagatya. He did not come with anybody. This is a secret, na?
Yeah.
Every day he used to offer milk and the next day he used to come there and pick up one gold coin. Pratidinam ekaki samagatya, coming over there, tasmai, kshiram, tasmai. Now here also pullinga is used, not tasyai.
Yeah.
Tasyai vanade kshetra devatayai is not used. Tasmai vanadevaya. Okay, anyway, whatever it is. Tasmai kshiram dadati, he would give. Ekaikam cha dinaram gugnati. Like the Vedic religion, we were told when we were studying, Vedic religion is, you give me this, I will give you this. No, earthly kings used to give yajna, do yajna yagadi, and
Yes.
please the Indra, and Indra in turn gives the Varsha.
Varsha.
That is the understanding. So this person used to come every day and give milk to it, and in turn he would get one ekaikam cha dinaram rugnati, and he used to take. Now the story takes a turn now.
अथ एकस्मिन् दिवसे वाल्मीके क्षीरनयनाय पुत्रं निरूप्य ब्राह्मणः ग्रामान्तरं जगाम। पुत्रः अपि क्षीरं तत्र नीत्वा संस्थाप्य च पुनर्गृहं समायातः। दिनान्तरे तत्र गत्वा दीनारमेकं च दृष्ट्वा गृहीत्वा च चिन्तितवान्, नूनं सौवर्णदीनारपूर्णः वल्मीकः, तदेनं हत्वा सर्वमेकवारं गृहीष्यामि। ग्रहीष्यामि इत्येवं सम्प्रधार्य अन्येद्युः क्षीरं ददता ब्राह्मणपुत्रेण सर्पः लघुडेन शिरसि ताडितः।
Now this is the most unwanted thing happens in us. Atha, then what happened? Kasmin divase. Kasmin divase. On one day, Kasminchit divase, Valmiki in the anthill, Kshira Nayanaya, for taking the milk or near to the anthill, Putram Nirupya, he asked his, he entrusted this work, Nirupya, he asked his son to take the milk. Brahmanaha, that is Haridatta Brahmanaha, Gramantaram, Anyam Gramam Jagama Agachat. So he went to some other village, asking his, entrusting the job of giving the milk to the serpent. Putraha api, that fellow also did okay. In only 2 lines, up to 2 lines he did correctly. Putraha api, Kshiram tatra nitva, taking the milk there, samsthapya cha, Valmika samipe samsthapya, putting it near the anthill, punaha gruham samayata, he also came. He did not know. Father here, Srinivas, father did not tell this thing.
Yeah.
Father also did a mistake. Had he instructed the son, you give the milk and next day you will be finding one coin there, you simply take the coin and come back, the thing would have been okay. But why father did not tell him? So, punar gruham samayata. Dinantare, on the next day, tatra gatva, like we went there. Maybe this Brahmana, Krishakaha, went for 2-3 days camp outside the village. Dinantare tatra gatva, dinaram ekam cha društva. Then he also saw one dinar, one gold coin there. Društva.
Here, one thing is missing, sir. The previous day, father went and gave the milk now. So today also he should get 1 dinar. The moment the son went, he should find a dinar today also, right? Yesterday, father gave the milk.
No, wait a minute. Kshiranayana putram nirupya brahmano gramana. Putropi kshiram tatra nitva. Maybe he has taken it. Now we should understand that.
The second day, he surprised on second day, not on the first day.
Yeah, this boy, that means by now the dinar was not there. Otherwise, 2 dinars will be there.
Yeah.
So father took away, and then by that evening, maybe he instructed his son to keep milk, like that you have done. So Društva, Gruhitva, he also took it. Chintitavan. Now the Atyasha, this is called Atyasha. Durbuddhi. Noonam, now this is the thinking of the son. Noonam, surely, Sauvarna Dinara Purnaha Valmikaha. That like we read, I think, when we were children, a goose, golden eggs gives, na? Goose.
Yeah.
And every day it lays down one golden egg. And one fellow thinks, Arey, if I kill at once, I will get all the golden eggs in one go. Exactly the same. So It's thought, Nunam, surely, Savarna Dinara Purnaha Valmika, the anthill is full of gold coins. Definitely. Tad, so, Enam Hatva, now this is the criminal thought. Enam Hatva, Enam Sarpam Hatva, Marayitva, Sarvam Ekavaram Grahishyami. This is the problem with even our, what do you call, politicians and those people who take the bribe. They want to take everything at one go. One go only. Sarvam ekavaram grahishyami. Look at the sentence. Tad enam sarvam hatva sarvam suvarnam ekavaram grahishyami iti evam sampradarya. Resolving thinking like this, anyedyu next day kshiram dadata, while giving the milk. He kept the milk while Kshiram Dadata. This is Kshatru Pratyanta Srinivas. Kshiram Dadata Yachata Brahmana Putrena. Both are in Trutiya. Dadata Brahmana Putrena. So while giving the milk by the Brahmana Putra, Sarpaha, the poor Sarpa, Lagudena with a stick or iron rod. But Laguda could mean a stick or an iron or whatever was available there. Lagudena Shirasi on the head, Taditaha. So this fellow boy hit the serpent on its head while giving the milk. While giving the milk, perhaps the snake came out to drink the milk and this fellow hit it. Tataha. Yeah,
I'll have to read. Tataha kathamapi daivavashat mukta jivita eva rosha tameva tivra vishada ashanaihi tatha adashat yatha sasadyah panchatvam upagataha स्वजनैश्च न अतिदूरे क्षेत्रस्य काष्ठसञ्चयैः संस्कृतः.
Oh, 3 lines. He has completed his journey now, our writer. Tataha, then what happened? He hit him. Then Kathamapi, somehow or other, Daiva Vashat, due to its luck, by fortune, Mukta Jivitaha Eva Sarpaha. That Sarpa, that snake, was by luck, by its own luck, Mukta Jivita, it was left with life. It was hardly hit, but it did not die. Then, everybody says, this is the experience of people. When you try to hit a snake, snake gets very violent. On the other hand, you might have seen in many videos also, if there is a snake in your way, you just stand still, it will go in its own way. You stand still, not doing any activity. If you raise your hand or do some physical activity, then the snake will misunderstand you as if you are offending it.
Yeah.
Attacking it. And in defense, it will bite you. So if you stand still, poor creature will go in its own way. So now the snake is hit on head. It got and somehow Daivavashat, Mukta Jivita, it is left with life. Roshat, it got enraged now. Totally angry. Tam eva putram, Brahmana putram, Tivra, Visha Dashanaihi, not Vishada, Visha Dashanaihi with its poisonous fangs. Dashana means teeth. Visha Dashanaihi, Dantaihi, Tatha Adashat, stung him, bit him. The angered, very angered serpent gave a bite in such a manner, Tatha Adashat, gave a bite in such a manner, Yatha, that sa Brahmana Putraha, Sadhyaha Akasmat Panchatvam Upagataha. He joined the great majority of the fight. So Panchatvam Upagataha, so Mrutyum Upagataha. He died. Now this is our idiom, na? Panchatvam. Panchabir nirmite dehe panchatvam cha punargate. Swam yoni manuprapte tatra ka paridevana. Panchabhihi nirmite dehe panchatvam cha punargate. This body is made of 5 basic elements. Mahabhutas, Pancha Mahabhutas. and at death all the Pancha Mahabhutas join the Pancha Mahabhutas. So beautiful. Next line. Swam swam yonim anuprapti. Pratyekam bhutam tasya yonim pratigacchati. Punah. Earth merges into earth, fire merges into fire, air merges into air, vayu, the jala merges into jala. So swam swam yonim anuprapti tatra ka paridevana. Why cry for that? This body is made of fire and it goes to fire at the death. So like that, that is how this has come. Panchatvam upagataha mrityum gataha. Oh,
I read next line also.
Yeah. Swajanaihi. So Swajanaicha, and he died. This fellow died immediately. Swajanaihi, with his own relatives. Na atidure, not very far from that kshetrasya, in the same field. Kasta sanchayahi, they brought all the kastas, wood, fire. Samskrutaha, antima samskara krutaha. Antima samskara means, that. So that fellow was burnt also in the same field where he was killed by the snake.
Atha dvitiya dine tasya pita samayatah स्वजनेभ्यः सुत विनाश कारणं श्रुत्वा तथैव समर्थितवान् अब्रवीत् च.
This Dvitiya Dine should be understood, not one day this happened. The event happened one day, he took, next day he thought of killing the snake, right?
Yeah.
Because if you go back to the lines,
Correct.
Punargruham Samayataha.
Yeah.
Shiram Nitva Punargruham Samaya Dinantare Tatra Gatva Dinaramekam Chadushva Grihitva Cha Chintitvan. Oh, is it on the same day?
No, Dinantare is already there previously. But the second day, this is third day.
Third day, that is what. So after this is second day to his death. Dvitiya Dine Tasya Pita Samayataha. His father came from the village, Gramantarat. Swajanebhyaha Suta Vinasha Karanam Sutva. He listened, he came to know the cause for his son's death. Now look at this Brahmana's attitude also. Tatha eva samarthitavan, and he also okayed his death. He endorsed the death, he accepted the decision, he endorsed the kind of death he met with. Tatha eva samarthitavan, and also he said abravitcha.
Bhutan yonanugruhnati ह्यात्मनः bhutarthastasya nashyanti hamsa padmavane yatha purushayuktam kathametat brahmanah kathayati.
So we are finished. Very simple story. Durasha dukkasya karanam or atyasha dukkasya karanam. That can be the sum and substance of the story we just studied. Brahmana Kshetra story, Sarpa story. So here it says, another story being introduced here. Bhutan yona anugruhnati yaha manavaha purushaha. Bhutan, who does not show, anugruhnati, who does not bless or show. Okay. He atmanaha sharanagatan. Atmanaha sharanagati. If some people come to your sharana and you do not show any acceptance or you do not show any daya towards them, bhutartaha tasya. Tasya tadrushasya purushasya yaha sharanagatan bhutan anugruhnati. Tadrushasya purushasya bhutartaha nashyanti. Bhutartaha means all his possessions. Bhuta arthaha. What is actually in his position? Bhutartha means what is actually in his position. So bhutartaha tasya tadrushasya purushasya nashyanti. That means all his possessions will be lost. Yatha hamsaha padmavane, like the swans in the Padmavana or Padmasaras that we are going to see.
Swarnahamsa Swarnapakshi Rajakatha.
Now this story title Swarnahamsa Swarnapakshi Rajakatha is otherwise given in some books Haima Hamsa Katha. Haima Hamsa Katha. So the story of the golden swans. Again, this is now who is telling this? The same father of this Srinivas, father of the boy who died now, just now with this snake bite. The Brahmana is saying, Haradatta. That too I did not tell you. You can show the last page, Srinivas, once again. Srinivas. Last page.
Yeah. Asti kasminश्चित् अधिष्ठाने चित्ररथः नाम राजा. अस्य योधः सुरक्ष्यमाणं पद्मासरः नाम सरस्तिष्ठति. तत्र च प्रभूता जाम्बूनदमया हंसास्तिष्ठन्ति. षण्मासे पिच्छमेकैकं परित्यजन्ति.
So entering into the Saptami Katha, Iyam Katha Saptami, Saptamim Katham Evam Arabhamahe. Asti, there was Kasminchid Adhisthane, like yes, I always begin to laugh in the opening statement. Chitra Ratho Nama Raja. So the Brahmana, Haradatta, who has lost his son just now, is narrating this to the people there, who told that your son is dead. Nice thing happened. Why did you do that? He said. So there was a king by name Chitraratha in some Adhisthana, in some kingdom, city, whatever it is. Tasya Chitraratha Namakasya Rajnaha Yodhaihi Suraksyamanam, well protected by his soldiers, Padmasaraha Nama Saraha Tishtati. He had a lake by name Padmasaraha, lotus pond. Padmasaraha means literally a Sara full of Padmas, lotuses. Tishtati, he had one lake by name Padmasaraha. Tatra there, Tasmin Sarasi, Cha Prabhuta Jambu Nadamaya Hamsaha Prabhutaha Jambu Nadamayaha Visarga Lopa Srinivas. Tatra Tasmin Sarasi, Padmasarasi, Prabhutaha Adhikaha Jambunadamaya Kshamyatam Jambunadamayaha Hamsaha Tishtanti. So in that lake of this Chitraratha king, there were many. Prabhutaha means Adhikaha Bhagavaha. Jambunadamaya. Jambunada is to be understood now. Now this is Jambu Nadyam Bhavati. Jambu Nadyam Bhavamiti. Now Jambu Nadi is a river, they say, flowing from the Sumeru Parvata. Now what is Sumeru Parvata? According to our mythological stories, Sumeru Parvata is a golden mountain.
Yeah.
Right? So a river flowing through the golden mountain is also golden. Understand? So in the Kosha you find Jambu Nadam means gold only, you find it. The name of gold is called. So because Jambu Nadi is to flow from this
Sumeru Parvata.
Yeah, Parvata, Sumeru Parvata. So now we come to Jambu Nadamaya means golden. Now Prabhutaha Adhikaha Bhavaha Jambu Nadamayaha Hamsaha, golden swan, many golden swans, Tishtanti, they were staying there. Shanmase, every 6 months, by every 6 months, half yearly, Pichamekam Ekaikam Parityajanti. They used to give up one Picham means feather. Ekaikam Picham. Kada, Shanmase. They used to give every 6 months one feather. And what is that feather? Jambu Nadamayam Picham. Savarnamayam Picham.
Oh.
It is Suvarnamayam Picham. That was a golden feather. Now, this is told by the no other than the father of the boy who is just killed. अथ
अथ तत्र सरसि सौवर्णः बृहत्पक्षी समायातः तैः च उक्तः अस्माकं मध्ये त्वया न वस्तव्यम् येन कारणेन अस्माभिः षण्मासान्ते पिच्छैकैकदानं कृत्वा गृहीतमेतस्तरः एवं च किं बहुना परस्परं द्वौधम् उत्पन्नम्
द्वैधम् उत्पन्नम्.
sorry द्वैधम् उत्पन्नम्. I'll pause here.
Yeah. Atha, then what happened? Tatra, in that lake, many swans are living, where Sarasi, in that city, lake, Sauvarnaha, golden, Burhat Pakshi, big Pakshi, a big bird came over there, golden bird. There came one big golden bird into that Agataha. Taihi cha ukta, taihi hamsaihi. Now taihi means here that hamsa. Hamsas are already there. So the hamsa said, uktaha asmakam madhye tvayana vastavyam. The hamsa said, you can't live amongst us. Asmakam madhye tvayana vastavyam. You can't stay with us. Yena karanena, because asmabihi shanmase shanmasante. So the reason these Swarnas, hamsas are giving, Yena karanena, asmabihi, by all of us, asmabihi hamsai, षण्मासान्ते पिच्चैकेन I'm sorry, पिच्च एकैकदानम्, that is Srinivas. पिच्च एकैकदानम् षण्मासान्ते षण्मासाभ्यन्तरे पिच्च एकैकदानम्. So each we all got into some understanding with the king here that every 6 months one gold feather we will krutva gruhitametas saraha. This saraha is taken by us by giving our one feather every 6 months. That means that we have hide this in a way. The Hamsas are saying we have hide this lake by giving our feather, one golden feather every 6 months. You can't come here and live. Evam cha kim bahuna, what to say more? Parasparam dvaidham utpanam. So there came a controversy between the swans and the Bruhat Pakshi, that big Pakshi which has landed there just.
Sacha Rajnyah Sharanam Gataha Abravit. हे देव एते पक्षिण एवं वदन्ति यद अस्माकं राजा किं करिष्यति न कस्यापि आवासं दद्मः मया च उक्तं न शोभनं युष्माभिः अभिहितम् अहं गत्वा राज्ञे निवेदयिष्यामि इति एवं स्थिते देवः प्रमाणम्.
So the incumbent bird, Bruhat Pakshi, which has just came, golden bird, evam cha kim bahuna, where you know, dvaidam utpannam, sacha, then sa means that bird, Bruhat Pakshi, Savarnaha Bruhat Pakshi, Ragnaha Sharanam Gataha Abravit. It went directly to complain to the king. Hey Deva, O Lord, Ete Pakshinaha, Evam Vadanti. These birds are saying like this, yeah, that Asmakam Raja Kim Karishyati. What will she completely differently reported here. Asmakam Raja Kim Karishyati. What will our king do? Na Kasya Api Avasam Dadmaha. We will not give a residence to anybody. Na Kasya Api Avasam Dadmaha. We are not going to accommodate you. We will not give you the avasa. Maya chauktam, and I said, O king, Maya chauktam ahamuktavati. It is a bird, a female, or I don't know. Maya chauktam, na shobhanam vishmavihi abhitam. You have not said the right thing. Na shobhanam vishmavihi abhitam uktam. Aham gatva ragne nivedayishyami. So I told them, I will go and report it to the king. Iti. Evam sthite, this is the matter now. Devaha pramanam, you are the now final judge. You are pramana means you decide what to do. That's it.
Shall we stop here, sir?
Yeah, okay. Shubham Bhoya.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar.
Namaskar.